does it taste?
Good.
Thumbs up or thumb down? What about you?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. It tastes good? Yes.
But hot.
It's hot. I'm sorry. I just finished cooking it, boo. Just let it cool down a little bit, okay? Alright, guys. That's what's left over. And I had leftover pasta. Hubby made mac and cheese with it, y'all. It is so good. Gotta give him his props. It tastes yummy. Yes. So if you make extra pasta by accident, don't throw it away. Make some mac and cheese with it. You can eat it later. Bye. Yeah, it is so cheesy. This is mine. This hubby's on. Oh, what he used this cheese. Hold on. He uses sharp cheddar cheese, shredded cheddar cheese. And what else you use, babe? Kobe and
Okay.
okay, not trying.
Taco Fiesta. Milk.
That thing is cheesy. Yeah, the chef boy is Steven. Look at that, and I said it's so good. Look at the cheese. Oh, spread in the cheese.